Welcome back to our YouTube channel, guys. My name is Audie, and today's video is all about an upgrade that we carried out to a Citroen C1. This customer actually found us on our YouTube channel from previous videos, but what wanted to do is install something called a Berry 9048 hands-free kit, because it has voice activation as well as giving the access for music streaming as well as hands-free to stay safe on the road. In terms of the solution, we've actually done it in a completely custom way, so let's go check it out. So now actually inside the vehicle, the Berry 9048 kit is all mounted and installed professionally. In terms of the way we've actually added this in a custom way, it's not just stuck onto the dashboard. We've actually built and fabricated a panel that the Berry 9048 kit can actually sit onto. You've got the accept call there as well as plus and minus, and it does a whole host of different features. You've got voice activation, you've also got full hands-free system, as well as the fact you've got music streaming directly into the existing sound system in the vehicle. But the way we've actually done this is fabricated this out of MDF, then relocated that and actually mounted that inside that pocket. Then what we've actually done is actually retrim that in Milano, so it looks absolutely phenomenal. It's also flushed in, so the actual 9048 display is kind of pushed in a little bit into the panel. It looks phenomenal, but obviously adding all those features onto the vehicle, but also making our customer, when driving and on the phone, safe as well, which is a very, very important part of adding something like this into the system. So we're all wrapped up here on today's video. If you are interested in something like this added onto your vehicle, you know exactly what to do, guys. Make sure you get in touch using any of our social media platforms, as well as the fact if you are after something completely different, we also do a whole host of different upgrades. So make sure you get in touch with us and we'll go through all of those options with you. But thank you very much for watching. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. We'll see you guys soon.